of you have been here almost 3 hours now. We appreciate your patience. And I also want to thank my colleagues in the NEC. Today we had a full house in terms of the leadership of our great party. Yours truly, the party leader. We've had the Honorable Omunyinyi, the first deputy party leader. We have had His Excellency Ayub Savula, the Deputy Governor Kakamega, who is the second deputy party leader. We've had His Excellency Governor Natembeya, who is our third deputy party leader. We've had our chairman, the Honorable Muchele, David Muchele, our founder chair, and he remains our chair. We've had our national treasurer, Beatrice is here. We've had our vice chair, the Honorable Luande Oneko, all the way from Rarieda. We've had our chair, our secretary in charge of county coordination. MCA from all the way from border point 01 Mandera 009 all the way the Honorable Kutitila and members of parliament here. We have our national organizing secretary, the Honorable Engineer Dick Maungu, who came all the way from the coast to be with us this morning. We've had the party whip in parliament, the Honorable Kakai Wabisau, member of parliament from Kiminini, and we have representation from across the country. And as you can see, the reflection of this party, it is a national party. We have leaders from as far as Kwale. We have our sister Pauline here all the way as far as West Pokot, our sister Kevina here. We have Bwana Muchai here, Mwana Biashara ametoka mbali huko, Kisilu from Kitui. So we are Maungu from all the way from Ukambani. So we are happy as a family. Okemo here from Kisi, Kenya yote iko hapa. We are happy to be here today as a family to discuss our issues. To the naysayers, I know you must be very disappointed. There are those of you who had predicted that there will be a split in the party today, that there will be a fight here at Chui House. But as you can see, we've come out of this very, very much united, and you don't see anyone with any bruise here. There was no fight here today. Ours is a democratic party. We have very strong internal democracy. We also have very strong internal dispute resolution mechanisms. And today we have appointed such a team that will listen to and resolve any disputes within our party. When we come out of this, I believe in the next 30 days, we'll come out stronger. We'll come out more united. And we'll come out more democratic. Because what we're seeing today is democracy in action. And that's why we're called the Democratic Action Party. Kwa wale wote wanachama wetu, tuambia chama kiko imara. Sasa kamati imeteuliwa, tutawapa nafasi mwezi ujao, wiki kadhaa, washughulikie yale masuala ambayo yako mbele yao. Sisi kutoka hapa tukiongozwa na Deputy Governor wa Kakamega Ayub Savula, tunataka tuelekee huko na Governor Natembeya na hawa viongozi wote. Twende Malava, we have a seat to win called Malava. Tunataka tuambie wenzetu wa broad-based government, the battle that is coming up in Malava, DAP Kenya, is going to become your Waterloo. Tukisema one term itaanzia Malava, na DAP Kenya is going to show you what one term is. Tunafuraha sana because now we have a team that will undertake very onerous tasks dedicated to them by the NEC. But we also have a team that can now go to the ground. Instead of fighting in the boardrooms, we are going to fight to win seats in Malava, in Huisero, all the way to Ugunja. We have the Honorable Chris Budo is here, our candidate in Ugunja, and others.